Construction of triangle when its base, the sum of the other two sides and one of the base angles is given. Exercise 7.2. 1. Construct triangle PQR where base QR is equal to 4.1 centimeters, angle Q is equal to 60 degrees and PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeters. Analysis. Let us draw rough figure of triangle PQR. It is given that PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5. Now let us draw rough figure of triangle PQR with QR is equal to 4.1 centimeters, angle Q is equal to 60 degrees, QT is equal to 8.5 centimeters. Now locate point P on segment QS such that Q-P-T by drawing perpendicular bisector of segment RT. Therefore, by perpendicular bisector theorem, we get PR is equal to PT. PQ plus PR is equal to PQ plus PT, which is equal to 8.5 centimeters. Thus, triangle PQR is the required triangle. Let us see the steps of construction. First, draw segment QR of 4.1 centimeters length. Keep the protractor on point Q and measuring 60 degrees, mark a point S. Now draw ray QS. Measure angle SQR is equal to 60 degrees. Now take Q as center and measuring 8.5 centimeters radius, draw an arc intersecting ray QS at point T. Then join points T and R. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of segment TR. For that, take points T and R as centers and measure more than half length of TR as radius. Draw intersecting arcs to the left and right of segment TR. Now draw a line passing through the points of intersection of these arcs. Name the point at which this line passes through ray QS as point P. Then join points RP. We can see that segment PT is congruent to segment PR. We have constructed the required triangle PQR. Let us take one more example from problem set 7. Construct triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 4.8 centimeters, angle E is equal to 50 degrees and DE plus DF is equal to 8.3 centimeters. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw segment EF of length 4.8 centimeters. Draw ray EX such that measure angle FEX is equal to 50 degrees. Take E as center and radius 8.3 centimeters. Draw an arc which cuts ray EX at point Y. Join points Y and F. Draw perpendicular bisector of segment YF first with Y as center. With more than half of YF as radius, draw two arcs to the left and right of segment YF. Take F as center and with same radius, draw arcs with intersecting the previous arcs. Draw a line passing through their points of intersection. It will intersect ray EX in point D. Join DF. Triangle DEF is the required triangle. Construction of a triangle when its base and difference of other two sides and one of the base angles is given. Exercise 7.2. Construct triangle ABC where BC is equal to 4.7 centimeters, measure angle B is equal to 45 degrees and AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Analysis. Let us draw a rough figure of triangle ABC. Instead of giving actual length of AB and AC, we have been given AC minus AB, which is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Therefore, AC is greater than AB. Draw ray BX such that angle B is equal to 45 degrees and draw opposite ray BY. Let us take a point D on line XY such that BD is equal to 2.5 centimeters and A-B-D. Let us draw triangle BCD. BC is equal to 4.7 centimeters and BD is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Let us locate point A on line XY by drawing perpendicular bisector. Hence, by perpendicular bisector theorem, AD is equal to AC. AC minus AB is equal to AD minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Hint: side AC is greater than AB by 2.5 centimeters. Since AC is the opposite side of given angle B, we will draw the arc below side BC on the extended part of ray AB. Let us see the steps of construction. First, draw segment BC of length 4.7 centimeters. Then draw ray BX such that measure angle CBX is equal to 45 degrees. Draw opposite ray BY of ray BX. Take B as center and radius 2.5 centimeters. Draw an arc intersecting ray BY at point D. Since side AC is given as 2.5 centimeters greater than length of side AB and side AC being opposite side to given angle B, we draw the arc on the opposite ray BY and not on the ray BX. Now join the points D and C. Then draw perpendicular bisector of segment DC intersecting ray BX at point A. Join points A and C. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Let us take one more example from problem set 7.1. Construct triangle LMN such that MN is equal to 6.2 centimeters, angle M is equal to 50 degrees, and LN minus LM is equal to 2.4 centimeters. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw a segment MN of length 6.2 centimeters. Draw ray MX such that measure angle NMX is equal to 50 degrees. Then draw ray opposite to ray MX. Take M as center and radius 2.4 centimeters. Draw an arc intersecting this opposite ray at point P. The point P is taken below segment MN because the opposite side LN to given angle M is greater than the side adjacent to angle M. That is, LN is greater than LM. Join points N and P. Now draw perpendicular bisector of segment NP by taking N and P as centers. Draw intersecting arcs below and above segment NP with more than half length NP as radius. Draw a line passing through their points of intersection. Let this line intersect ray MX in point L. Join LN. LMN is the required triangle.